Hey y'all, I just wanted to pop in and give you guys just a brief tutorial of what you should expect to see when you get into ALEKS. So if you registered for ALEKS, you signed up with your name and your email address, the first thing that you should see is the tools tutorial, okay? And what this is just a set of questions that is supposed to help you get used to using the tools that you're going to find in ALEKS when you're working on your homework assignments. Okay, so if we see here, I'm sharing my screen. You should see this screen that says Tools Tutorial. Okay, you can click on the Get Started button, and then you can go through the questions that it asks. And again, we're just following the instructions here and trying to get used to this homework platform. So for instance, it says, you will now learn how to enter your answers into ALEKS. So typically when you're entering your answers for your homework assignment, you'll go ahead and click in the box and type in whatever your answer is. For this example, it's saying using the keyboard type 14. So I'll type 14, and then I'll just go ahead and continue following the prompts. Okay, so it's allowing me to click this X button and then the undo button just to get used to how these functions work in ALEKS. Again, you might have to type in your answers when you're working on the homework later on in the semester, where you might want to completely erase your answer, which you can do with the X button. And if you want to undo that process, then you can just do the undo button. But again, it should be a pretty self-explanatory exercise here just to get you used to ALEKS. As you work through the homework assignments later in the semester, you'll also get a feel for the different tools that you'll be able to use when you're solving your math problems.